Hi friends, welcome to Easy Learning. Today we're going to learn about sound. So let's get started. So what is sound? हमें पता है कि sound करके कुछ है, पर sound है क्या? Sound is a form of energy that can be heard and travels in waves. When matter vibrates or moves back and forth very quickly, a sound is made. Sound waves can travel through solids, liquids, or gases. Example: when a school bell rings, parts of the bell will vibrate, creating sound. तो इतना तो हमें पता है कि sound एक energy है. Sound is a form of an energy. तो अभी है ना, ये sound क्या करता है, कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है? Sound is produced by vibrating objects. अभी ये vibrating क्या है? Vibrating मतलब very 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 fast to and fro motion, है ना? जैसे अभी हम लोग अलार्म लगाते हैं. वी सेट एन अलार्म फॉर टुमारो मॉर्निंग एंड सुबह उठ के वो अलार्म वाइब्रेट होता है. The phone vibrates, right? The phone vibrates. So that is known as vibration. And when the phone vibrates, sound is produced. So that is what is sound, right? Now, lesson how is sound produced. Sound is a form of energy produced by vibrating bodies like guitar. अभी गिटार में कैसे sound produce होता है? So let's see. अभी ये देखो, there are strings here. इसे membranes जब stretch होते हैं tightly, तो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है. जितना टाइट मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रेच होता है उतना साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है. सो व्हेन द मेम्ब्रेन्स ऑफ द गिटार स्ट्रेच, साउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. ठीक है. नाउ what is a sound wave? अभी listen, what are these, you might be thinking. So these are known as air molecules. So when air molecules, हमारे आजू बाजू में, like everywhere there are air molecules. So when we speak, the sound is passed on from one to another, and then finally it reaches the ear of another person, and that's how we hear, right? So that this wave which I have drawn, that is known as the sound wave, right? अभी इधर एक ड्रम दिया हुआ है. So how is sound produced in this drum? So when we hit the drumsticks, right? Not the खाने का drumsticks. When we hit the drumsticks, the membrane stretches, producing. The membrane actually vibrates, producing sound. So this is how sound is produced in drums. Now, how is it produced in flutes? So we can see that there is a cylindrical type of narrow thing, right? And there are holes between it, and people touch on different holes too and play this flute. Right now, there are air molecules. There is air present within this flute, inside this flute, and that is how when we play the flute, when the air is inside, we know that air is a medium, right? So sound can travel through air. We will learn about this in my next video. So through the air molecules inside the flute, we can play the flute so nicely. Now, how is sound produced in human beings? I know this diagram looks very complicated, but I'll make it simple for you. Yeah, so what happens is, this is our so ये windpipe है. You know what is a windpipe, right? It is also known as a trachea. So इसके ऊपर, right above it, we have the voice box, and the voice box have two vocal cords. Okay, and there you can observe that there is a small gap between the vocal cords, right? There is a small gap. Okay, so this gap, why is this gap for the air to pass through it? That's why the gap is there. So when air from the from the lungs passes through this tightened vocal cords, vibration is produced, and therefore sound is produced. So this is how humans produce sound, and this is so in the next video I'm going to teach you the different mediums through which the sound propagates. So till then, thank you and have a nice day. So bye.